Hello. So this is a video which it's a little bit different from what I usually do on my channel. I usually do modifications on the multi-tools with the tool sets. Usually I do a lot of things other than this, but I usually don't put it on my channel. But I decided just to show you a small improvement on one of the things I use. So I use these plugs for regips. They are from Fisher. They are very good. I have a lot of regips in my house. My entire house is have regips inside, and I use them a lot. One problem I had with this: when you buy a big recipient like this, you will receive a tool which is very good. This one that is for making holes and fixing this in a regips. The problem is they will throw this tool inside here, and when you move the recipient with all this will go to the middle of the recipient. So when you want to use it, you have to empty the entire box and until you find this. So my design, it was simple, just 3D print a part like this, which will have a magnet inside, and stick it to the cover of the jar or of the box, whatever. And now when I take the box out, the tool, it's always like this. I use two sets, so that way I have actually two tools. And also sometimes I actually hold here the screws which are coming here, just a couple of them. And in this way, when you need one of these, you don't need to empty the jar just for these tools. You always have them here. Obviously you can do other things. You can just glue with the hot glue gun or something a magnet on the jar, and in this way you'll have the tools all the time. Or you can, I don't know, you can improvise something. But because I have the 3D printers and my job is a mechanical design engineer, I can design simple stuff like that very fast. And this is the idea. Now everything is working much faster. When I need to put one of them, I just take the lid out. I'm taking the tool, I put it in the drill bit, and I can use it. So here it is, a simple 3D print idea for this. I hope you like it and it will help you in your work.